guys, what's up? It's your girl Simone Cherise. Today in this video, I'm showing you guys how to install your 360 lace frontal wig, okay? And I did this really easy and simple for everyone. I am using a new product, so I'm not using Gotta Be Glued, which is a gel, to install my wig. I'm actually using an actual glue. So I'm using Ghost Bond glue, and I think the product is amazing. I bought it for about $24. I honestly have no complaints. It has my wig looking nice and seamless, so that's thumbs up for me. And the back, it actually has the back held down quite well. So I'm super in love with it. I feel like this is a product I might use for quite some time. However, I am going to the gym a lot, so I probably might use this when I'm really going out because it costs so much, but it really works. So I like it a lot. I'm gonna show you guys the back. So this is how the back looks, which, you know, it kind of did hold up really well. So it looks really well. I didn't glue right here too much, but I glued everywhere around the perimeter. But enough talking, you guys will see the rest in the video. So yeah. It's kind of like that video, like when you love your nails but you love your edges, so you're like, yes. What? Wait, what time? Whisper in my ear. Tell me what you said. Can you tell me again? I can't hear you. Oh my god, my phone's ringing. Hello?
Bye.
What's up? Oh, all these edges? Yeah, it's mine. But alright guys, so today's hair was provided. Yeah.